Good morning to all of you. This is the trees we sampled on 3 years back. Now the gulmogaras blossom like a very beautiful flowers. So we planted saplings in Gandhinagar. Gandhinagar is in Tirunelveli city, one of the part. It is opposite to Rani Anna College. We planted saplings in front of the each and every house of the street. So what are the steps we have taken? We can see. So this madam is planting sapling in her house compound wall, near the compound wall. So this sapling started 6 months back itself. Sir is planting one more tree. He is a very good person. He occupied a very high post in the government setup. Then this, see how much very lengthy sapling we planted, we grown in my house itself. So the two supporting staff, they are working in our Gandhinagar Park. Both of them also very good person. Then myself also planting Andi Mandara. So in addition to that, just like that of we have given the tree guard. So the saplings are here. So he is ready to put the tree guard. So one more madam is planting sapling in front of her house. She is ready to pour water. So in the street we planted 5 saplings. Added to that, they are our volunteers. He is Magesh, Mani, then Vicky, then Sundar. All of them are very good personalities. So they planting neem sapling near the compound wall. So like that, we have given, we covered the sari. So by that only the cattle will not cut the newly grown sapling. So this is the first street of Gandhinagar, in front of the first street of Gandhinagar. So this is the main road of Tirunelveli Tenkasi road. See the small girl with the smiling face put the sapling. So her father, they are ready to pour water for 5 sapling. So he is Magesh, he is Gilli Thambi. So in the street we planted 10 saplings. That madam is looking forward how they are working. So they see the volunteers are ready to work. Plant the sapling in Gandhinagar area. So see, the small boy is Madhu. He is so much of interested. So he is Siva. He is Isaki Raja. They are doing degrees. So they planted navel. So he is Sundar. He is the engineering graduate. He is doing MA Economics. He is doing BA Economics. How they are. With the dedication only, we planted so much of trees. As on date, we planted 94 saplings in Gandhinagar. So we are having an idea to plant nearly 200. We provide tree guard to each and every family person, so they should only pour the water. By that, within 2 or 3 days, 3 years, the Rani opposite to Raniana College, our Gandhinagar area will become as a very greenery area. There is no doubt about it. So with the help of their volunteers, we are doing wonders in Gandhinagar, opposite to Raniana College in Tirunelveli district. Vanakkam. Good morning to all of you. Now we are going to look after what are the steps we have taken to plant saplings in Gandhinagar Park. In Gandhinagar, it is having so many numbers of parks. It is in Tirunelveli district opposite to Rani Anna College. So this is one of the small park. So the two students are planting saplings of banyan tree. So now they planting neem sapling. The two students are waiting. Then one more student. So he is Arun digging. So another student is ready to pour water. So he is also Arun's friend. So two more students are they are so much interested in planting saplings. So one more student is ready to pour water. One students are putting the saplings of neem nearly 2.5 feet height. So they dig very lengthy manner. So the roots will become very fast. The tree also growing very gentle manner. So they finished. So they pour water. So other students are waiting with a smiling face. So these saplings are nearly 3 to 4 feet height. All are waiting for plantations. So we started plant at 5 o'clock. Now the time is 7:30. So all are so much of interested. Nearly 20 saplings are planted on the day itself. Then the next day also we started working. So he is the resident of a place, he is the area. Then he is the faculty of our Manomanim Sundana University, Mano College. Then he is Arun's. They are so much of interested. So the tree saplings are very nice. So it is so much of bending. So one student supporting one stick. By that only it will grow straight. Then see the small kids see so much of interest. So just like that, we planted 39 sapling inside the park of small park. It is small park only. The students are playing in the ground. So in the evening or morning, every day they are having the customs to pouring water. So now the trees saplings are grow fast. So thank you very much.